Hey, it's Dan here, and what I'm going to be cooking for you today is what I call a meat lover's frittata. There's a million different ways to make a frittata. Since this is Wednesday at 6 o'clock in the evening, this is going to be our supper. So I'm going to make ours a meat lover's, so it's real hearty and everything. You can make yours with spinach, whatever. Just have fun with the cooking. But I'm going to put me a pound of bacon in here and start crisping it up. I'm going to cook this until it's just a little bit past halfway done. I'm not going to cook it all the way. And then I'll be right back with you. Alright, I've got this roughly about halfway cooked through. So what I'm going to add now is I got 1 pound of this Eckrich kielbasa. And I'm going to add that in here. And I'm going to brown it up. And the bacon will continue to brown while I'm browning this kielbasa sausage up. If you guys are wondering why I haven't done any Dutch oven recipes here lately, it's because we finally got some beautiful weather here. We had such a horrible spring. So me and the wife, we've been staying on the houseboat quite a bit. And it's real tough to do Dutch oven on the houseboat. So I'm kind of doing this series, the last few videos and this one, to show you guys that you can use your grill as an oven. And you can cook anything that you can cook at your house, out here on the water, in your campsite, on your back patio. But let me get this browned up and I'll be right back with you. Alright, the kielbasa is all good and browned up, so now we're really going to test out this 12-inch skillet. I've got a 2-pound bag of these hash browns from Ore-Ida. They're the diced. We're going to see how much of this 2-pound bag I can fit in here. And get these potatoes to soak up all that good bacon grease. Oh, heck with it. We're going to put the whole 2 pounds in. We'll make it work. These are still a little bit on the frozen side, as you can tell, but I'll get them thawed out here in just a second as I'm cooking them. I'll be right back in a few minutes. Alright, the potatoes are doing good. They've soaked up most of the grease and everything. Just waiting on them to crisp up. So while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to put a bag of chopped onions in here. And these are from the frozen section also. And the reason I'm putting these in last is because I didn't want them to melt away and just vanish and everything. I want some actual onion bites in my frittata. So I'll get this all mixed together, and then once I get the potatoes all crisped up, I'll show you my next step. Alright, everything's browned up real good. I'm just trying to even everything out before I start on my next step. I've got my grill preheated. It's running right at about 375 degrees. So let me move my camera and I'll show you what my next step's going to be. Alright, let me get this moved over here to the grill. And then I've got myself a dozen eggs that I salt and peppered. And I'm just going to pour that over the top as evenly as I can. It'll spread out on its own also. Then I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes, and then I'll open it up, I'll check, make sure everything's good and done, and then I'll cover the top with cheese. I'll be right back with you as soon as I'm ready to do the cheese. Alright, this actually took about 50 minutes, but I think it's because the dozen eggs I used were jumbo eggs, not just large like I normally do. But I've got 8 ounces of this Kraft triple cheese. It's a triple cheddar. We'll see how much of this I can get on the top of here. I'd almost bet I can get the whole 8 ounces. I probably could have got more than 8 ounces. Man, this grill is hot. And it doesn't help that it's about 85 degrees outside, but at least I'm not heating up the house. I'm not cooking inside the boat. Alright, we got all 8 ounces of that. As soon as this melts down and turns golden brown, this thing's going to be done. So I'll be back here in just a few minutes and I'll show you what she's going to look like as the finished product. Alright, let's take a look and see what we got here. Oh, that cheese is melted all the way through. It's real tough to brown the cheese because I'm doing it on a grill, so I don't have any top heat. So I'm going to go ahead and call this done because the cheese is totally melted. If you guys like my videos, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell next to the subscription thing and you'll get notifications when I put out videos. I thoroughly enjoy doing these cooking videos for everybody. I hope you guys enjoy watching them. I'll be back with a taste test here in a few minutes as soon as I let this cool down a little bit. Hey guys, hopefully you can see me with the sun behind me and everything, but take a look at this. That just turned out beautiful. My goodness, can't wait to bite into it. Make it any way you guys want. I guarantee you you'll love it. I've made them vegetarian with spinach before. I've used Italian sausage. I've probably made them 30 or 40 different ways. I just wanted to show you that you're not stuck to your kitchen, you're not stuck to your oven inside the house. That grill right there, I cook so much stuff on. So let's get to the taste test. Alright, we got some cheese, we got some bacon, and we got some sausage, or kielbasa. I swear I let that cool down for 7 or 8 minutes so I wouldn't have another video where I burn the roof of my mouth, but it's still very warm, but man, that's very good. Hopefully you guys will get outside, get to cooking. If, you know, make whatever you want. Fire that grill up. Enjoy the great outdoors. Y'all have a blessed day.